Here's another song that I actually haven't been singing. Well, recently I sang this, I think, in Singapore, but it was in a different arrangement. But tonight I'd like to sing it in its original form. This was originally sang and actually written by Mr. Gary Valenciano. Sana maulit mo ang mga oras natin nakaraan. Bakit nagkaganito? Naglaho na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Sana maulit-ulit. Sana'y bigyan ng pansin ang himig ko kahapon, bukas, ngayon. Tanging wala nang ibang mahal. Kung kaya kong di na sana sapat. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko ibalik ang kahapon, sandaling di mapapantayan. Huwag sana nating itapon pagmamahal na tapat. Kung ako'y nagkamali minsan, di na ba mapagbibigyan? Kung lilibigin mo ang nais ko, kung kaya kong iwanan ba, di na sana sapat. Kung kaya kong umiwas Wow, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. I got a little emotional because I just realized I haven't been singing this song in its original form. So. Thank you so much. This was actually rearranged by Mon Faustino. So, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you! Habang kumakanta ako, nagdadasal ako. Alam mo ba yun? Sabi ko, Lord, please sing with me. Inutusan ko pa si Lord. Lord, kantahin mo na to. Ikaw nang bahala. Ikaw naman. Andiyan ka lang naman sa heaven. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ulitin ko ulit. Sana ulit-ulit? Ulit-ulit? Ulit-ulit?